Hi, today we are going to create the launch template from our EC2 instance. So I already have a RHEL instance created. So if you want to see how to create an instance, check out my previous videos. So what I'm going to do first is select on RHEL and check here. I have added some user data in this particular instance. So let's see what user data I have added. So I created one file and then I switch on to the main user. Then I do a yum update. Then I install HTTPD server and then I put the metadata information in my index.html and then I start my server. So this is the user data which I put in your instance configuration. So let's go to the instance. Okay, so let's create a template from the instance. So go on actions, image and template, create template from instance. So I'm giving it a name RHEL image 1. Rest of the configuration I am leaving as is. Key pair I am giving as my old key pair Ashish 4. I am giving this auto assign public IP. Okay, so I am enabling it. And let's check the user data once. See here, user data is populated automatically from the instance. And let me create a launch template. So now it is showing the launch template is created automatically. So let us see the launch template. Okay, so this is the launch template. So now I need to create instances from my launch template. So I will select my image, action, launch instance from template. Now what I will do, I want to create, let's say, 3 instances. Okay, and let's check the configuration once. Auto assign public IP enable. See here, the user data is okay. So launch the instance from template. Okay, let's go and check our instances. Okay, let's go and check our instances. Okay, so they are coming up. Let me refresh once. Okay, so these instance will take some time to get started, uh, but they secured a public DNS name. So let me select it and try to connect and show you. So I created some RHEL local shells which connect with these EC2 instance. If you want to check how to do it, check out my previous videos. So I opened my RHEL2 edit sessions. Let's go here. Okay, so I'm going to show you only one setup. Rest will work as is. Okay, so let me try to connect to it. Okay, so it's connected, and IP is, okay, let's refresh it. Okay, let's see whether my script which is inserted in user data is installed or not. So here see, I created one file in temp directory, check 1, check 2, check 3 after every step. So let's go and check the temp folder. Okay, okay. So see, check 1 and check 2 is created, but for all these steps, because what I am doing is I am upgrading a system and I am installing HTTPD. Uh, so it take time around 5 to 10 minutes, and here I provided -y option so that the consent will not be asked during the execution, otherwise it will hang. Okay, so let's wait for some time and join back in few minutes. Okay, see, all the logs which I created to check whether this command has been executed or not is printed here. So all commands which is entered in user data is executed now. Okay, so let's try to access the image ID which I put here in index.html. So this is my public IP. Port is 80 here. See, this is basically the instance ID. CBF81, BF81 is the instance ID. Also, if you are getting any issue to access the port 80 of this public IP, check out my old videos. In that, I have explained the security group little bit how to enable the port. Okay, that's all in the template part for now. Thanks for watching the video.